All right, what's up, people? Fuck. I know what this is, but I don't know what that is. If I think that's what it is, then I'm fucking getting screwed. Not really. Let me fucking we're gonna pull out the blade. We're gonna slice this bitch open. All right. God damn it. Slide the bitch out. Hold on. Let me wait for it. I'm saying because like yeah, I gotta what packing. Yeah. Star conversation. I know what this is. I've known what that one was. Give me a second. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Can we fucking get to the fucking bottom of the situation? Let's get to the bottom of the situation, motherfucker. Shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Rubber band. Rubber band off. There it is. Lord Jesus. We can't do a genuine unboxing. So what most people don't understand, why did I get this comic? It's a 9.6 graded. This is the first appearance of the Reverse Flash. You're like, it's a 9.6 grade. 100% it is. I'm gonna leave the plastic on the motherfucker. Shit. The Dark Side thing was a problem because they kept rejecting me. I have no idea why. I had the money. It wasn't a money problem. It was a you problem. Now, this is the one. If this is what I think it is, hold on, Lord Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have to cut this motherfucker open. If this is what I think it is, and I think it is what I think it is, and if it is, then Lord Jesus Christ. So, let's go. Let's go ahead and cut this bad bitch open. We're going to slice this motherfucker. We're going to go around the sides of this motherfucking shit. And then we go around the side of this. I mean, come on, man. This is an unboxing, like live. No, right? Well, it could be something goofy. I don't know what the fuck it could be. Hold on. Gotta put the fucking foot on it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I cut it across the sides, nigga. Fucking faggot ass motherfucker shit. I appreciate the solidarity. I appreciate all the solidarity. I don't know. Is this what I think it is? This cannot be what I think it is. If it is, it is. Lord Jesus Christ. Cut the bubble wrap, nigga. Let's go. Let's go. I don't. This, you know, it's fucking my camera up because it's like it's just what the fuck is this? Open this shit up. God damn it, bro. Open it up. Open it up, my dude. God damn it, my dude. Oh, Jesus Christ. How far can you get? God damn it. How far can you get? How far can you get? You understand what I'm saying? How far can you get? It's still sealed. I don't even think I'm gonna fucking take anything off of it. It's still sealed. Well, no, it's not sealed. It is sealed, but it's not sealed. Holy fuck. It's like the plastic's running off the fucking shit. That's the cover. And that's Kenneth Barnes right there. I told you. I told you, motherfuckers. Now, see, this is the thing that you don't understand about me. Is when I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to fucking do it. And that's all that is. Yeah, good package today. Good unboxing. I know, it was brutal. Because most times when I come with this, you know, your neck's getting fucking cut. The first appearance of the Reverse Flash, 9.6 graded. It's there. I'm not taking the fucking covers off of it. I'm not taking the covers. You can see it. It's not. It's fucking graded. It's plastic covered. You can't fuck with this. You're like, you can take it out and read it, right? I'm like, no. Why the fuck would I do that shit? Do you know how much I spent on this just to own this? Just to own this. I already own it. I mean, like, I own the paperback. I've debated the paperback, whatever. Fuck. Lord Jesus Christ. It's unboxing day. It's a great day to be me. Thank you. Paul Valentine called. He said, fuck you. He was talking about you, not me.